Hey, this is Ming here from agentsofspeech.com. In this short video series, I want to talk about how you can actually start doing home therapy today by yourself. Right now, you cannot go to a speech therapy center. I've been getting more and more inquiries about online therapy, especially for speech. So I wanted to make this video to clear up the basics about how you can start, all right? For this first video, we're gonna talk about hardware, what you need at home to start today. So when you think about speech therapy at home, you always want to start around 5 to 10 minutes every day. And my philosophy to teaching parents is to teach two things. Number one is structured table tasks, and number two is what we call naturalistic language facilitation. I'll talk about these definitions in the next two videos coming. And first of all, I want to talk about sitting down. I'm a big fan of sitting down and playing with your child. And if your child is below 3 years old, he or she is around to something, then I would recommend you getting a play mat for your child so that they can sit on the floor. If they are 3 or above, get a kid's table and kid's chair. Get the cheapest one on Amazon or whatever online store you can buy from. An alternative to a kid's chair and table, you can get a high chair with a normal height table so that you can save yourself from some back pain, all right? And if your child cannot put their legs on the floor, which is very important, children tend to get pretty tired if their hands are hanging from the chair. So what I do is I put a yoga blocks as a footstool so that your child can actually step on it, okay? You can use anything you want, as long as shoe box or whatever, just so that they're actually putting the feet on the ground. Now that your child is sitting nicely, in those 5 to 10 minutes, you want to have stuff to engage with your child. The things that I love to recommend in the beginning are bubbles and snacks. Frankly speaking, teaching your child with toys through play and whatever, it's a difficult task. That's why I like to teach parents to use snacks and bubbles in the beginning. And that's because I've been there before. As a junior therapist, I didn't know how to play with children and I nearly lost my job during the probation period until something clicked inside me and I knew how to interact with children, all right? So if you are right now not child-friendly, even to your own son or daughter, that's fine. You'll learn it somewhere down along the line. And you only want to do it 5 to 10 minutes a day. A lot of parents report back to me saying, hey Ming, it's not working anymore. The snacks aren't fun, the bubbles aren't fun. Well, the thing is you must have used it for too long a day. If you kept it to 5 to 10 minutes, it's still fresh, it's still fun. Don't overuse it. It's something that we will change. We will go away from bubbles and snacks into toys later on. And another thing we love to recommend is a transparent jar. Something like this. Don't mind the powder inside, but it's something that's big enough so that your child's little hands won't be able to open it. You use something like this to introduce some difficulty where they must communicate with you in order to get what they want. So something transparent, you can see exactly what's inside. You can put the snacks inside, you can put toys inside, and in the beginning, it's a really good idea to do so. So this is the first part of our series. If you need the full checklist, you can go to www.agentsofspeech.com/checklist. for the full list of things that I recommend to my clients when they start at home. And this video series is to introduce home therapy to parents who are thinking about doing it right now, given the current situation. And if you're watching this at a later date, if this is still applicable, this is all the stuff that I recommend to parents even before the pandemic, right? So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please drop comments, like this video, share it to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye.